Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this really summery vibes makeup look in the middle of December or the beginning of December. So I woke up this morning and was browsing Instagram and I literally came across this gorgeous photo on my Explore feed and it instantly caught my attention. I was just drawn. Like everything between the highlight, the glossy lips, and of course, just this incredible eye that matched her blue eyes. I was sprung. So I was like, I need to do that look today. Like that's the makeup look I need to wear today. So that's what I did. I wasn't planning on filming a makeup tutorial today at all. I was only planning on filming my current favorites video, which I'm still gonna film. But I was gonna do my makeup off camera, just do like a regular look. And then I just got so inspired, I decided to film this and try it out on camera, recreate it. I don't know the name of this model at all or the makeup artist. I just got so excited that all I did was open the photo and like zoom up to it and screenshot it, and I didn't screenshot the actual photo on Instagram, if that makes sense, like who posted it, like the username, because I did zoom in, so it cut that off and I was so like mesmerized I didn't even remember. So now I'm realizing I don't know who to give credit to. So if you guys know who this is, I'm sure you guys do, link her down below or let me know so that I can link her in the description box. But I remember it was a makeup artist and she was the model, I believe, but she's beautiful and the makeup is incredible. So definitely please link them and name them down below so I can put it in the description box. But yeah, so this look is super glowy and really glossy lip, really sky blue eye. The eye look looks like a lot, but it's not. Like it's so easy. All you do is put a crease shade, smear the lid shade, and bring the crease shade down, put it in this. Like it's just super simple. I did this entire makeup look in under an hour, which is really good. Normally a look just with color takes me a lot longer, obviously, but this is just such an easy look. You guys are gonna love it. Like I said, I know it's December. I know this is a really summery look, but I just got inspired. And lately I've just been really big on following my impulses and my urges and my, whatever I feel like creatively doing, whatever I get inspired by for YouTube. In terms of YouTube, I've just been following my heart and doing my thing. I haven't been being too structured and it's just been working for me. But I know you guys probably want maybe a winter makeup look. So let me know and I will definitely kind of brainstorm and come up with something. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this beautiful sky blue, really glossy makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so to get started, I am using a primer, of course. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty, which is greatest highlight ever. It has these like little bits of shimmer in it that isn't tacky or ugly or chunky at all. It's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm so excited for the eyes today. I'm gonna be recreating this beautiful, amazing photo. I'm pretty much just gonna have this open and like try to recreate it because it's beautiful. The first thing I am gonna do is start off with a neutral, I guess just to have a little bit of transition, a little bit of guidance. So I'm just gonna dabble into this palette, but really you could use the Kat Von D, which is whatever bronzer you used, use that. So what I'm gonna do is start on the outer portion here, just to really give myself a lot of eye space. I'm just going to start on the outer to kind of create that cat eye, but then go upwards, kind of closer to the brow to give me a lot of lid space. Even though this shade doesn't show too much, it's just gonna work as a nice little transition and a little bit of guidance. Okay, I just zoomed in a little bit more for the eyes. So, of course I couldn't find a palette that like had everything that I needed. So I have like a bunch here. Oops, my eyebrow brush fell. I have like a bunch here that I'm gonna dabble into. This one right here is beautiful. This is actually new. This is the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis. Like, how beautiful. I think I'm gonna use this shade mainly and some of the neutrals, but this is a really beautiful palette, and these highlighters, ooh. But in terms of the blues that I'm gonna need, because this look has like literally all blues, like there's like no neutrals here. So I might dabble into the Pastel Goth palette from Kat Von D, might use that blue. And then I have the Sigma Cream de Couture palette, probably gonna use these little pretty pastel blues. And then this is really pretty, the Summer Breeze by Coastal Scents. I think I'm gonna use this shade mainly all over. So yeah, this should be super fun. So I actually think the first thing I'm gonna do is take this really pretty blue. Actually, I think I'm gonna take this one just because it's a little brighter and the other one is a little more teal slightly. So I'm just gonna take this one right here from the Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna put that right at the top in the crease. And I'm going to just blend that out with the fluffy brush. I don't know how impressed I am with this palette. Have I used it before? I think I have. Maybe it's just this blue shade. It's not too, I'm gonna switch over to the Coastal Scents and use the one that I was going to use. And I'm just going to pack that on. So just so that the eyes match, I am gonna use the Kat Von D on this side as well. Okay, so the Kat Von D works better if you pat it on, and then I'm sure you would need to just blend it out with a separate brush probably. I'm just gonna put that only on the outer corner here. So now I'm gonna take this blue, this like silvery blue from the BH palette, and I'm gonna mix it with this beautiful sheen, shiny kind of blue from the Coastal Scents palette. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And I'm also gonna take it and drag it underneath. So pretty, I'm obsessed with how it looks so far. And then now I'm only gonna take the silvery blue from the BH palette and put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna put in a little bit of gold. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the gold, it's called Terrain. And I'm just gonna top it off with that. So the only other thing I'm gonna do is take this really deep blue, and I'm just gonna add some definition to the lower half here. I'm also just taking a little bit of that really dark brown, just a little bit. I'm not really putting a ton. And I'm just slightly shading it on. Okay, so I'm kind of realizing that her inner corner is pretty blue, like it kind of really stands out and pops. So I'm going to take the blue only from the Coastal Scents palette, not mix it with this kind of silver blue. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. So I really want to put some blue eyeliner. I feel like I should use a darker blue, but I don't know. I think I'm just going to try these two. This is a pastel, and this is a sheen. I think this one will work better. I'm just going to put it a little bit on the waterline. So that's it. I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and I am going to apply some falsies as well. Setter. Okay, so that is pretty much it. That's the completed makeup look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am absolutely obsessed with the way that it turned out. I love, love, love it. It's kind of funny because I know this screams summer vibes, and it's like December. It's December 3rd, but whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed regardless. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.